it's time for another quick bite with Hy-Vee Dietician Kaiti George.
Hello.
Hello.
We are going to be doing a fun citrus-based salad today. And the reason really for choosing this recipe is I hear very frequently from clients, customers, just general public that there's no good produce in the wintertime, and I have to squash that because it's really not, maybe not berries, because they're definitely not in season, but citrus is actually, this is their prime time. December, January, February, this is citrus's hot time, so we are gonna focus on citrus, because let's use it if it's in season.
Good to
so
know.
I think grapefruits are that forgotten fruit, because it is hard to peel them, it takes some time.
It does.
Who wants to do that? So we're going to actually utilize grapefruit in a totally different way, and we're going to use it as the basis of a salad as well as a salad dressing.
I've never had grapefruit in a salad. Oranges,
yeah,
but never grapefruit.
which is kind of the same concept. So we are going to start by making our dressing, and our dressing is going to be a grapefruit vinaigrette. So what I have done before, so I didn't have to get the mess, is I've freshly squeezed an entire grapefruit into my mason jar, because if you use a mason jar, it's definitely going to be better, right? For sure. So half of a cup of the fresh squeezed grapefruit into the jar. From here, I like to put it in the jar as well, simply because then you can store it in your refrigerator for as long as you need. We are going to use about a cup of olive oil, because vinaigrettes are usually olive oil and some sort of vinegar base. So about a cup to a cup and a half of the olive oil. We're also going to use red wine vinegar. Hello, vinaigrette, right? So we're going to use about a tablespoon and a half. And again, I am a non-measurer. You can measure away if you need to. Just a smidgen of salt into our container as well. We're going to put some honey and some onion powder. 3.5 tablespoons of honey. 1, 2, 3.5. There we go. That's how you do it, right? And then a little bit of onion powder and a little bit of garlic powder, simply for flavor. So we're gonna do that. And then from here, you gotta just shake it together. And a little bit of garlic powder. So we're gonna screw our lid on, and we're gonna make sure it's tight so we don't give anybody a shower. We don't need that. And as I'm shaking this together, I am going to take our focus onto the salad. And the salad is going to be, you can do it as you wish. This actually is restaurant quality salad, if you ask me. It is a spring mix with some grilled chicken on it and some feta cheese, along with some pink grapefruit segments. Now, you know, you can go back to this thought of like, gosh, it is so hard to peel a grapefruit. Another option is to buy some already peeled grapefruit.
Easy way.
Seriously, mind blown. So Del Monte does have these individually packaged grapefruit segments. Works great for yogurt as well. Put it on a salad, but instead of having to do it yourself, always a shortcut. So again, we're just shaking this up. This is our grapefruit vinaigrette with lots of flavor in it. And you definitely want to make sure it's incorporated, because oil and vinegar and juice are going to separate. So shake and use, and then you'd want to just put this in your refrigerator to store. With the olive oil, it might solidify a little bit. Just let it sit out at room temperature for a little bit. You're just going to drizzle this over your salad, and you have a restaurant quality, quick,
This looks amazing.
and easy salad. So easy to do. Use your leftover chicken from the night before, and then store this grapefruit vinaigrette for as long as you need in the refrigerator.
All right, the recipe will be on our website. Kaiti, thanks.
Yes.